have learned how to take care of a patient in more than just doing the skill, putting in the IV, but more of just how to be a human with them. Hi, I'm Gillian, and I am a nursing major at the University of Sioux Falls. What I really appreciate about USF's nursing program is getting to be in the hospital, in clinicals, my first semester of nursing school. So yes, you take your prerequisites your first year, but then when nursing school really gets going, you have a lab where you learn skills, and then towards the end of that semester, you're already in the hospital, in a clinical, with an instructor, with real nurses, and learning what your life is going to look like as a nurse if you continue in that program. They also are very aware that we are students, and so they don't expect us to know everything right away, but they really help us out, all of the instructors, all of the professors. They're there to talk with you while you're at clinicals, and they want to talk to you afterward about your experience, and they just want to make it the best experience possible.